Hello. Today I would like to share another recipe. This is a broccoli venkongal. First I will go ahead and then let you know what are the ingredients, and then we will see how it is prepared. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and then half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and then 2 teaspoon of cumin seed with 180 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 cup of rice, half a cup of moong dal, 2 tablespoons of oil, and then 1 to 1.5 pound of broccoli cleaned and washed and cut. Okay, first of all, we have to briefly heat the dal. That way, until it gives out a little bit of smell. So I am going to, briefly heat it. Once it turns a little, pinkish brown, it's yellow color dal, and then it will turn a little bit red. So at that point, go ahead and then add the rice to the dal, and then briefly, dry toast it for a minute. So once the rice will turn bright white, at that point you can turn the stove off, and then clean the dal and the rice mixture thoroughly, and then add 4 cups of water, and then put it in the pressure cooker and build the pressure just like regularly how we cook the rice. We have to cook it. So until the pressure is built, turn the heat to medium or medium low, and then wait for 5 to 6 minutes. Turn the stove off, and then until the pressure comes down, you have to wait. We cannot open the stove. So we will come back in 10 minutes because it will take 10 to 15 minutes to build the pressure and everything. So I will come back to it and then show you how to saute the vegetable and then add the pongal. Okay, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of oil, and then turn the stove on high, and then add the cumin seed, and then the small amount of peppercorn. See, some people doesn't like the pepper too much, so you can adjust it however much you want, but not more than a teaspoon or something like that. So wait until the cumin seed thaws. Once it is thawed, you can even add the turmeric powder on the oil, hot oil. I am waiting. The electric stove, it takes time to heat up. One thing I just wanted to let you know, these 2 ingredients I left out, I forgot to mention. This is a cup of milk and then 4 slices of American cheese. These were inside the refrigerator. I forgot to pull it out. So those also you need. This is okay. Now it is ready. The cumin seeds are thawed, and then I am adding the broccoli to the. Then go on, stir it, and then saute it in medium heat, because don't burn it. Maybe you can add a 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup of water if it sticks. Now I am going to add the teaspoon and a half of the salt. What I did, I added a 1/2 teaspoon of the salt to the pongal and the rice and dal. Now I am adding the salt, and then half a teaspoon of less than chili powder, and then go on stirring. So it will take about 4 to 5 minutes to saute it, and then tender crisp. At that point we will come back and then assemble the pongal again. Okay, now it is 7 minutes after that, now it is ready. It is sauteed very well. Okay, pressure cooker also, pressure came down. Make sure, before you open it, the pressure came down. Okay. The pongal is also really nice. It's cooked. It's a pongal. What I am going to do, I am going to scoop up the pongal from the container and then transfer to the sauteed broccoli. Slowly incorporate all of the pongal to the broccoli. Since we added 4 cups of water for the 1 cup of rice and then half a cup of dal, it really creamy and then in the sense cooked very well. Okay. So we don't need to even mash anything, it is already ready. So I am mixing the broccoli, sauteed broccoli with this pongal. Now I briefly heated the 1 cup of milk. I am going to add it to that container and then stir it. This is a very delicious and then comparatively low fat main dish, because it contains, it's a single pot dish. It has a vegetable in it, protein in it, and then I will add the strips of American cheese and then briefly mix it and then turn the stove off. Stove is on medium low. That way it won't stick to the pan. It's ready. It's very, very simple and then very good. I am going to serve it in 2 plates. You can see the 1 cup of rice and half a cup of dal with 1 cup of milk and then 4 slices of American cheese with the spices. Spices you can increase or decrease. If you like really spicy, you can add more peppercorn or red chilies. We do like medium, so we didn't add very much whatever I said. In a recap, I will tell you, this one has 1 cup of rice, half a cup of dal, 1 cup of milk, 4 American cheese, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and then few peppercorns. What it is, the method is what I already told you. Thank you so much. Enjoy it. Just a final note. If someone doesn't want to prepare the pongal in the pressure cooker, if they are not used to, they can very easily prepare the pongal in the rice cooker. So just add the 4 cups of rinsed, 4 cups of water to the rinsed rice and dal, and then put it on the rice cooker. In 20 minutes automatically it will turn off and then the pongal will be ready. Very similarly what I did on the pressure cooker as well. Thank you. This recipe can be very easily adapted by my vegan friends by substituting 1 cup of soy milk and then soy cheese. They can also enjoy it.